In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to auto put ads into your videos, especially if it is a long video. So first go to Google, then you want to get the extension. So look up insert YouTube ads, Google extension. And you'll find YouTube ad placer, so click that. I will also leave the link down in the description below. And then you're going to have an ad interval placer. So let's just add this to Chrome. Click continue to install. There we go. It is now here. I'm just going to pin it. And now let's go and upload a video. So first go to your channel, click manage videos, and just insert any video that is above 8 minutes. Then you'll need to click no. And just go through the process. Then you'll need to make it private for now. But once it fully publishes, then we can just add in the monetization right now. So let's just wait for it to process and I will be back so I can insert the ads. Then we just click review placement. What you want to do is click this right here. And let's say I want it every 30 seconds. Then click start. Now you'll have it for every 30 seconds. So look at this, guys. This right here kind of messed up, but all of this is every 30 seconds. Let's just say I want to remove all ads. I'm going to say I want it every 10 seconds. Start that. Look at that. Every 10 seconds, there's an ad. There we go. That is perfect. Then we just click continue and save changes. So now there is an ad every 10 seconds. So this tool is very useful. And if this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.